Some Samsung TVs have these hidden buttons allowing you to control the TV without the remote. Now on my model, if you look underneath here, you'll find a directional pad hidden away. Some TVs have it on the back, but this one I found by accident. And I put it in a video about a year ago and I didn't actually show how it worked. So what I'm going to do here is I'll press the center button to activate it, and then we'll have a look at the on-screen display. Okay, so now that appears. Pressing through the menu options now allows you to turn the TV off, go into settings, change the source, and go into the Smart Hub. So let's go to the Smart Hub. It'll bring the bar up. I think these prompts are really nice. Tells you exactly what to do. And you can navigate all the applications that you've got installed without actually having to use the remote. Dead handy if the batteries run out and you haven't got any more, or if you've lost the remote somewhere. Very easy to control the thing. Press and hold again to exit. So quite a clever feature hidden away there. It's worth having a look on yours to see whether you've got a similar button array hidden away there, or whether yours is on the side of the TV. Thanks for watching.